It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.
Hello everyone, my name is Namaisa and today I'm going to show you how we like to apply prosthetics here at Infected Effects. Infected Effects has a wide variety of prosthetics that you can purchase off of our Etsy store. And while you're at it, don't forget to check out the Infected Effects Instagram page. These are some of the products I will be using. I got a couple of alcohol activated palettes and some foundation palettes, all sponsored by Graftobian Makeup. Thank you very much. And of course, these prosthetics by Infected Effects. And of course, I'm repeating the same steps when applying the ear prosthetics. I'm taking my Graftobian HD Glamour Cream Super Palette. This one is part of the Inclusion collection. And I'm mixing a little bit of Lady Fair and Sunrise Flush. What I don't want to do is completely saturate the prosthetic with these colors, simply because I still want that red to kind of peek through. Then to break up the skin or give it a little bit more texture, I'm taking a couple of shades of those Graftobian alcohol activated makeup palettes I showed in the beginning. But I'm first going to start with a rosy / pinkish tone, and I'm spattering that just like that all over the prosthetic, but also onto his skin. And then to give it some more texture and break up the skin a little bit more, I'm using a white alcohol color, but I'm also using just like light skin tones. I'm really mixing and matching here. I suggest you look up pictures of skin, like textured skin, or at the model's own skin, because it's great for reference. Now the horns, of course, are also foam latex, so you have to seal those as well. I use this Thomas Surprenant prosthetic paint in Vampire Pale as a base. And then I'm taking a dark brown cream color. I'm applying that on the base, if you will, of the horns. And then I'm softly fanning it up to kind of create a gradient effect. And then for the tip of the horns, I used a very pale, kind of off-white color to accentuate the tip of the horns a little bit more. So you have this really nice gradient effect. And to make the skin look a little bit more translucent, I took a red cream color and I gently applied that on the tip of the ears and just a little bit around the eyes. Now what I didn't show on camera is that I created 3 little cuts on the skin. I very easily did that with a little bit of cream colors. I applied some fake blood right in the center of those cuts. Not too much. I didn't want to overwhelm it because that wouldn't look realistic at all. But just a little bit extra, you know, to make them look a little bit more rough. And that was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to check out the Infected FX Etsy store. Thank you all so much. And until the next video. Bye!